Thinking about buying a Huawei Watch GT5 Pro? This video will help you spot a fake and avoid getting scammed. We'll cover key indicators that can help you distinguish the real deal from a counterfeit. Missing serial number. Genuine Huawei watches have a unique serial number engraved inside the operating system. If you can't find it, it's a major red flag. Backside discrepancies. Examine the watch case back. Look for inconsistencies in the engraving, materials, or overall quality compared to authentic models. Huawei misspelling. Pay close attention to any